What is your name?
I'm called Emily.
Do you like coffee?
No, I prefer tea.
Where are you from?
I am from a small town.
How old are you?
I'm around 25.
Are you a student?
No, I'm not a student anymore.
Where do you live?
I live in an apartment in London.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up early for Fajr prayer.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually have dates and milk.
How do you go to work?
I ride my bike to work.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9:30 a.m.
What do you do after work?
I often attend Quran classes.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading Islamic history.
Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to nasheeds.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy Islamic hymns.
Do you play any instruments?
No, I focus on Quran recitation.
Do you watch TV?
I watch educational programs about Islamic culture.
How many people are in your family?
There are 3 people in my family.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
No, I am an only child.
What does your father do?
My father is an engineer.
Does your mother work?
No, my mother is retired.
Do you live with your parents?
No, I live on my own.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is halal grilled chicken with rice.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I eat vegetables every day.
What do you drink with dinner?
I drink water or fresh juice.
Where do you usually eat lunch?
I usually eat lunch at work.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't like spicy food.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping for modest clothing.
Where do you shop for clothes?
I shop at Islamic boutiques.
Do you buy groceries every week?
Yes, I buy groceries on Mondays.
What do you usually buy?
I buy halal meat, fruits, and bread.
Do you shop online?
Yes, I often shop online.
What is the weather like today?
It's a bit cloudy today.
Do you like cold weather?
Yes, I don't mind cold weather.
Is it raining?
No, it's not raining.
What season do you like most?
I like spring the most.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I think snow is beautiful.
What day is today?
Today is Thursday.
What time is it?
It's 10:15 a.m.
Do you wake up early?
I wake up early for Fajr prayer on weekdays.
When do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 10:30 p.m.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I have the weekends off.
Do you drive a car?
Yes, I drive a small car.
How do you get to work?
I take the train to work.
Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, I use my bicycle often.
Is the train station far?
No, it's very close by.
Do you walk to work?
No, it's too far to walk.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy my job most days.
Where do you work?
I work in an office downtown.
Do you work full-time?
Yes, I work full-time.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, I have a desktop computer.
Do you use the internet?
Yes, I use it all the time.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, I have an Android phone.
What apps do you use the most?
I use Quran apps and prayer time reminders.
Do you play video games?
No, I don't play video games.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise a few times a week.
Do you go to the gym?
No, I usually exercise at home.
Do you eat healthy?
I try to eat halal and healthy.
How many hours do you sleep?
I slept about 8 hours.
Do you live in a house?
No, I live in a flat.
Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, it's a quiet area.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to visit Islamic historical sites.
How do you travel?
I prefer to travel by train.
Do you stay in hotels?
I prefer family-owned guest houses.
Where do you usually go on vacation?
I usually visit Mecca or Medina.
Do you like the beach?
No, I prefer spiritual retreats.
How do you feel today?
I feel tired today.
Do you get nervous easily?
Yes, I get nervous before exams.
Do you like to laugh?
Yes, I love to laugh with my friends.
When do you feel sad?
I feel sad when it's raining.
Do you get angry?
Yes, I can get angry when I am frustrated.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I really like cats.
What do you do in your free time?
I volunteer at the local mosque.
Do you like to dance?
I prefer attending Islamic lectures.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I plan to join Friday prayers.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I like watching Islamic documentaries.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Message.
Do you listen to podcasts?
Yes, I listen to Islamic podcasts.
What language do you speak?
I speak English and Arabic.
Do you learn new things often?
Yes, I like to learn about Islamic studies.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I have a best friend from school.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Liam.
Do you read books?
Yes, I like reading Islamic literature.
What book are you reading now?
I'm reading The Sealed Nectar.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking halal meals for others.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is your pet's name?
My pet's name is Zainab.
Do you speak other languages?
Yes, I know Arabic.
What other languages do you know?
I know Arabic and Urdu.
Do you like art?
Yes, I love Islamic calligraphy.
Do you visit museums?
Yes, I visit Islamic art museums.
Do you follow the news?
Yes, I read the news online.
Do you enjoy your weekends?
Yes, I enjoy spending time with family.
What do you do on weekends?
I attend community events at the mosque.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast around 9 a.m.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer tea.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have 2 sisters.
What do you do after work?
I usually go home and relax.
What do you do in the evenings?
I recite the Quran in the evenings.
Where do you work?
I work at a school.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I love teaching children.
Do you have children?
No, I don't have kids yet.
What time do you get home from work?
I get home at about 5:30 p.m.
Do you go to the gym?
No, I don't usually go to the gym.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I go walking in the park.
Where do you live?
I live in a big house in the suburbs.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a small hatchback.
What kind of car do you drive?
I drive a Honda.
What do you do on your birthday?
I donate to charity and share a meal with family.
What is the temperature today?
It's around 65 today.
What is your nationality?
I am Pakistani.
What do you drink when thirsty?
I drink a glass of cold water when thirsty.
Where do you park a car?
I park a car in my driveway.
What do you use to cook food?
I use a microwave or oven to cook food.
Where do you charge your phone?
I charge my phone by my bed.
How do you pay for things?
I pay for things with my debit card.
What do you use to clean floors?
I use a mop and bucket to clean floors.
How do you keep warm in winter?
I wear layered clothing and use a heater.
What do you use to wake up?
I wake up for Fajr prayer with an alarm.
How do you cool a room?
I open a window or use a fan.
Where do you wash clothes?
I wash clothes at a laundromat.
What do you use to keep food fresh?
I use a fridge to keep food fresh.
Where do you check the weather?
I check the weather on my computer.
Where do you keep car keys?
I keep car keys in my bag.